Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We've got some spoilers for you today for the Boxycharm March Luxe box. Some of them I'm super geeked out about, so I think it'll be a good box. I do want to welcome everybody. If you are new here, I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway every month. For the month of March, it is the Lush Life palette. And kind of looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. I'll talk about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Nomad Venice Simplon Express palette. I absolutely love the Nomad formula. It looks like this, and I'm mainly concentrating on this yellow and blue, just in honor. It made me think of everything that's going on over in Ukraine, and I just pray for everybody over there. So this Luxe box is going to be $59, which is kind of steep, but I think you're going to get a lot more than that out of this box. I think you will. I have things that you'll like. So I've got my notes kind of down on my phone. So obviously we knew from the choice items that you could get the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Red Overnight Serum. You could choose, and that one retailed for $72. Or you could choose Iconic London Multi-Sculpting Use Palette. That one retailed for $49. I think between the two, I chose the Wrinkle Rental. Well, I can't even talk today. Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum from Juice Beauty is what I think I chose. And then the other choice items was between Dry Bar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant, retailing for $34, and the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, retailed for $32. I believe I chose that cleansing balm. But what might you be asking are the other spoilers that I have digged up. I love digging around and looking for spoilers for you guys. So I have found, and I think this one is the one. I think that this one is one of the ones that I'm super stoked about. Okay, so they are doing a Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette, $48. So this is her this is not it. This is her $48 size. And then a 5-pan eyeshadow palettes, and then she also has her mini, which you can kind of see here the difference between the two. So this is her $25 size, this is the $48 size. That Cupid is supposed to be this $48 size. And I love me some Natasha Denona. They are one of my favorite eyeshadow brands. Love them. So that has me really geeked out. There's also the Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Yes, please. Anything that can help these babies out. So I found those couple additional spoilers for you. What are you guys thinking? What are you looking forward to the most in this March box? Let me know. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. You can always chat with me down below or over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. You can follow me on Twitter. It's that same. BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Can't talk today. And I will see you soon. Bye.